Difference between responsibility and maturity. I'm still working on both. There is a difference. Responsibility has more to do with how you handle or manage or steward things, people, places, and things. Are you responsible to be able to look after something? Are you able to say, I'm going to do this and actually do it? Maturity is different in that it is your stewardship and management of how you see things, your vision for things, your ability to be able to perceive and know something beyond the surface level. Could be connected. Is one responsible if they're mature? Is one mature if they're responsible? Possibly. But they are different. Keep moving.